Hello, and welcome to today's video on the fascinating field of hematology. Hematology is the branch of medicine that focuses on blood and blood-related disorders. In this video, we will explore the importance of hematology, the different components of blood, and some common blood disorders. So, let's dive in. Before we delve into the specifics of hematology, let's start with the basics. Blood is a vital fluid that circulates throughout our bodies, delivering oxygen and nutrients to our organs and tissues. It is comprised of different components, including red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. The first component of blood, red blood cells, are responsible for carrying oxygen from our lungs to the rest of our body. These tiny, disc-shaped cells contain a protein called hemoglobin, which binds to oxygen and carries it throughout our system. A normal red blood cell count is crucial for the transportation of oxygen and the overall functioning of our body. Moving on to the second component, white blood cells. They play a vital role in our immune system. These cells defend our body against infection and disease-causing organisms. There are different types of white blood cells, each with a specific function. For example, neutrophils are responsible for engulfing and destroying bacteria, while lymphocytes play a crucial role in our body's immune response. Platelets are the smallest component of blood, but have a significant impact on our health. These cell fragments help in clotting, ensuring that we don't bleed excessively when injured. Without platelets, even a small cut could result in severe bleeding. Now, let's discuss some common blood disorders. One such disorder is anemia, which occurs when the body doesn't have enough healthy red blood cells to carry sufficient oxygen. This can lead to symptoms like fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. Another common disorder is leukemia, a type of cancer that affects the bone marrow, where blood cells are produced. Leukemia causes an abnormal production of white blood cells, leading to various complications. In summary, hematology is a fascinating field that plays a crucial role in diagnosing and treating blood disorders. Understanding the components of blood and the importance of each component helps us appreciate the complex nature of our circulatory system. By studying hematology, medical professionals can improve patient outcomes and contribute to advancements in this vital area of medicine. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the world of hematology. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please let us know. Stay tuned for more engaging videos on various aspects of medical science. Goodbye for now.